not too shabby, not too shabby, if I must say so myself.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, your boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we're gonna be spraying this bedside on this Chevy Silverado. I put down my chip guard here, so just letting that dry up. That's ready, so we're about ready to roll. Today is gonna be a video dedicated to the #1 LVLP spray gun of all time, in my opinion, of course. I've used a couple of those different little guns. This one I really like. Okay, I'm gonna spray with it, some metallics. This is a funky metallic job, but this gun is so versatile, it does it all. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we will get to it.
Trigger Man! Hey bro, you're doing the LVLP, huh? The low volume, low pressure gun. This is for the guys with the little compressors, huh? Man, that's pretty cool, Trigger. Man, let's see what you got to say about the #1 LVLP spray gun. Spray on, brother. Spray on.
Okay, so my #1 pick for the best LVLP spray gun is gonna be the InoCraft Drizzle D1. Okay, now I have tried maybe 4-5 different LVLP spray guns, and they all have their own strength. Some of them are good with clear coat, some are a little better with metallics, some do both, but then they have a lot of overspray in the air, a lot of fog in the air. And remember, with a lot of overspray comes the dulling of your paint job. Once your paint job is finished, once you painted your car and you have a lot of overspray in the air, once that overspray comes back down and settles on the vehicle, your paint job will dull out, okay? The amount it dulls out is depending on the amount of overspray that's left in the air after your paint job is complete. So, with this gun, excellent with metallics, base coat, solids, sealer, clear coat, and it has the least amount of overspray out of all of the different LVLP spray guns. It atomizes good. Not excellent, but it atomizes good. And for metallics, remember, you don't want a gun that atomizes super great, because then it wouldn't spray the metallics properly. Or it would, but you would have to do a lot of adjusting, change your technique. This gun out of the box does everything, okay? With not much adjusting and tweaking and technique and all of that different stuff. This here, you kind of just spray it and you get it. You see right here, spraying clear, atomizes fine. If you want more atomization, crank up your pressure, dial in your fluid a little. Everything can be adjusted to get more atomization. But just right out of the box, a few small adjustments, the gun can spray your metallics, your sealers, your solid colors, everything. One-stop shop, everything you need. As you see, one coat of clear, looks great. And I've tried most of the guns, from the Eastwood to the R500, the A Aerostar, whatever that gun was, A610, A whatever it was, wrong ping, whatever. I tried most of them, and to me, this gun is superior to all of them. And each one of the guns that I've tried, the LVLP guns, I have also used the little small compressor. If you guys could see, like over in the back of my booth next to the table, there's a little small, I forget how many gallon compressor. It might be like 9-gallon or something. It's a little small V-bore compressor, but I've tried all of those different guns on that compressor, and this gun outperforms them as far as the CFM. You know, the small compressor doesn't have problem keeping up with the gun. So all of those different factors come into why I chose this gun as the #1 LVLP spray gun. The price, I mean, it's like $90, $100 maybe right now. Great gun. And this finish that you're gonna get, I mean, you can't beat it. It has a good transfer efficiency. It's like as soon as you pull the trigger, the paint is on the vehicle. Again, it's not lost in the air. It's not lost in overspray. So I highly recommend this gun to anybody. DIY guys, you backyard bandits, you weekend warriors, you warehouse wanksters. You warehouse wanksters. My little chip guard. Everything's done. Good deal, man. Nice gun. Well worth the investment.
All right, we got it done. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. Not too shabby, not too shabby, if I must say so myself. But yeah, very good. This is more than acceptable at any shop, any shop. And remember, this is a side panel, you know, a hood. You can get it much, much flatter, but for a side, complete bedside on a truck, come on, man. But this here, $90 gun, come on, man. The InoCraft Drizzle D1. Not bad at all, not bad at all. So yeah, we're gonna let it sit up a little bit, then I'll get it out in the sun, take a peek, see what we're looking like.
Okay, I came back from lunch. The customer was hopping in the truck out front, backing out of the driveway. So yeah, every now and again the boss just rushes. He popped the tail light in, I guess, and delivered it. So, but yeah, that's it, man. The InoCraft Drizzle D1, great gun for the price. Better than all of the other LVLP spray guns, in my opinion. I highly recommend the gun. Zero problems. It's 1.3 tip. It can fit. They have the adapters. Most of your disposable cup systems, they have adapters for it. So, good gun. Want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please drop a comment. Please share the video with a friend. And after doing so, please tell his girlfriend. Peace.